Hey there! How to create a Ubisoft account. It is not complicated. In today's video, I will provide a complete guide on making an account in the Ubisoft app to use an iPhone or Android phone. Before doing anything, ensure you have downloaded and installed the Ubisoft app from the App Store or Play Store. Open Ubisoft app, tap on Login or Join Us. And now tap on Create an Account. After that, enter your email, password, age. Tap the mark on the box to agree to their terms and conditions. And tap on Create an Account. After that, they will send you a verification check and enter the code in the box. And tap on Create Account. Then your account will be created. This is how you will create a Ubisoft account via your phone. If you like our video, hit the like button. If you have any questions, please write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.